The skies have opened up here in the rainforest. It's doing what it does, raining.
Oh, there we go.
Sam, you put the special ketchup on the sides. That was a sign.
So good morning at Hanging Gardens. We're here at the buffet just getting some snake fruit. Have you ever seen a snake fruit? Let's go ahead and just start the video off with a snake fruit. The skin looks like snake skin. I've never heard of this or tried one. I'm just gonna take a bite into it. Oh my gosh.
Is it good?
It's good.
Really?
I'm trying to process what it tastes like. It's sweeter than a jackfruit. It's not like bitter like that. It's like kind of like an apple mixed with like a jackfruit. A little bit, maybe a little bit of like a mangosteen sweet flavor in there.
Mangosteen sweet flavor.
Yes. We went ahead and got some avocado toast, which is like everywhere here in Bali, but I haven't had it yet, so I'm stuck. By the way, we're at Hanging Gardens, Bali. If you're just tuning in to the trip now on day, enter day here. A quinoa bowl. We be rolling. Whoa. Wow, look at that food porn. Wow. Mmm. It's delicious. Avocado eggs as I break into it. Ooh. That's what we call food porn, baby. Go ahead. 5-star. Hanging Gardens of Bali. When you come through Ubud in Bali, if you want to ball out in Bali, come to Hanging Gardens of Bali. It's beautiful. It's beautiful, man. It's beautiful. Thanks for having us.
Because I didn't want to eat this, but...
You didn't.
Yes, you did.
Take a big fat bite.
Oh, mate, no. You said this tastes good. It tastes like it's gone on a date.
Gone on a date. Gone on a date.
It tastes really like dry, bitter, sour snake fruit.
Some skin.
Try some skin. No, I'm not gonna try it.
I'm gonna try the skin. It's not nice.
It's not nice.
Man, it's not hot. I'm eating snake skin. For the same reason you don't eat banana peels. Anyways, look at this flippin' view. If you want to see the whole Bali trip, all the day vlogs and our Bali guide, click below this video. Look at this though. We're doing a full tour of this place. Check it out. It's doing what it does, raining. Pit stop on the way to the volcano. Okay, we literally, it just started monsooning outside. We're at the volcano temple area, Basur. We popped into the randomest place called London and Spa. We're starting out with some hot tea. What, and she's giving us kimchi. Oh! Nasi goreng. Okay, yeah. Okay, okay. And we're ordering some funny food, and we got hot tea. This is our hot tea? It's our hot tea, and we got these kids in the corner. Oh, that hot tea is just what we needed. And so, cheers, 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 cheers. I literally can't feel my fingers right now.
Oh, wow.
Sweet.
Yeah, so it started tsunami monsooning outside. Found the sign that said spa, and it turns out to be the most random place I've ever seen in my life. It's called London and Spa. And we ordered some pizza and fried noodles and sausages, which I'm so curious what it's going to come out to look like. It said that they have massage, but I have no idea what they're talking about. And it's just one of those classic tours. This is like some little mountain village up here in northern central Bali Islands.
Oh wow.
Look at these.
We have these bread pizzas coming.
Okay.
Oh my gosh. This is like straight kids food. This is classic classic kids lunch. Yeah. So we just brought out the food here. The sausage. And this is like this is a pizza, dude. Cause he's like, this is some of the most interesting food porn I've ever seen.
We are here in northern Bali, Indonesia, and we are in a small mountain village of, I forget the name, but we are here at London and Spa, where they are known to have the most famous Balinese pizzas. And thanks for subscribing to Mark Weins' channel. And what they have here is just traditional Balinese bread.
So do you want to know what this is? This is like a piece of, this is a pastry bread that you would buy like in 7-Eleven. And they put mayonnaise and ketchup spread over the top of it.
And call it a pizza.
Call it a pizza. There's no cheese. You know, it's a hot dog with ketchup.
And then this, sauce on top, just they mix the mayonnaise and ketchup, and it just makes, I'm just gonna go in and take a big, they don't even cook the pizza to it, it's just,
They brought it from the shop around the corner.
that plain bread and the ketchup, it's just insanely delicious. And the mayonnaise in there too, you can taste the mayonnaise.
These kids are just laughing. Righty. How's the sausage?
Ooh, they. What did you? They even throw in pieces of Balinese ham.
I'm crying.
Balinese ham, Balinese bacon, as they say. Balinese bacon. Next, the sausage.
They should have just been there.
Just look at the sausage. Are you crazy?
They're filming you. No. That's what we're talking about. That's what we're talking about. Yes, in there.
Ooh, this time they put the special ketchup
On the sides. They put it as a side. It's my ketchup and rice.
Spicy ketchup. Ooh, yum. Oh yeah. I'm just gonna get a big fat
Go
Mark
right.
Weins bite. Ooh. With the cucumber in the side. The fried egg with the yellow rice. Ooh, we're just gonna get a big fat rainy day bite. Nothing better to do.
You think that's yellow? Kids are loving it. They're filming Riley.
Okay, that was hilarious. Honestly, one of the funniest places I've ever been to in my life. That's what traveling's all about. It's all about the random adventures and unexpected twists and turns. Let's try this coffee.
That's Bali coffee.
Ooh, that's the best coffee I've ever had.
This wins world's funniest pizza. It's always an adventure out here, man. You gotta live the adventure. It's the small things. No problem. Okay, this is the funniest thing ever. Okay, this is the temple that we came to. We even got a crosswalk guy for us. This is Ganesha. Lord of Success. I have a t-shirt with Ganesha. You've seen it before if you're a fan.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, quick tour.
This special the bell. You see this?
Tomb Raider or something. This is like Bali is like straight out of Tomb Raider Hindu temples. So we just had our Hindu temple praying experience. This is the #2 temple in Bali. This guy's an artist, so feel free if you don't want to buy one and carry it on your motorbike, just give them a tip, whatever. And he makes this art
From the lava.
He makes this art from lava rocks. Pretty cool. Anyways, that's Bali. On a foggy day, it looks mystical. We are here in Bali by Kuta Beach, a little bit outside, maybe 10-15 minutes inland, and we're here at Cabe Cabean?
Yeah, Cabe Cabean.
Cabe Cabean. And I have a delicious plate of fried and curry mixes of meat. I'm just gonna go ahead and before I even sit down, just do it right here where there's better lighting and eat it for you guys. We're gonna start with the cow lung, beef lung. And you saw we had some fried beef lung and Ubud, but this is like curry, yummy, squishy beef lung.
What does it taste like? It smells interesting, I won't lie.
It's so good. Oh my gosh.
Which one did you try?
It's so good. I tried the lung. This is it. This is cow's lung. I'm sorry. This is just pure beef. I already killed the lung. This is just pure beef right here. They cook that in coconut milk, I can tell, because it has the sweet coconut milk, like cow soy flavor. And of course they have these like fried fish chips. Literally fish chips. Delicious. I'm just gonna keep going in with my fingers here, guys. Excuse me. Yummy curry chicken, and I can tell this is already cooked in that coconut milk.
Coconut curry chicken.
Yeah. Coconut curry chicken. It's so good. I don't even want to like adjust the camera anymore. I'm just like trying to grub this. And here, I haven't seen this yet anywhere in Bali, but we have mussels. Mussels. I don't know if I've had any seafood on this trip yet. Whoa. Those mussels are fantastic. This is just the yummiest curry stuff I've ever seen. This is only one plate. I have a whole nother one. Wait. Here you have pure ginger's blood.
That's huge.
Oh.
Does it taste as good as it looks?
Dude, after that meal we had for lunch today that you guys saw, that fake meal,
That pizza?
this is like literally
That pizza dough?
Mark Weins worthy here. Although, ironically, the lunch was Mark Weins worthy because it was literally polar opposite of Mark Weins. Now we have here this omelet covering everything. Whoa. Potato chips with peanuts. Those peanuts are like kind of soft but still crunchy at the same time. And here we have some, I'm just gonna get a big fat Mark Weins bite. You know what I have to do, guys? I'm sorry. Look at these sauces. I have to take some spicy sauce. Oh yeah. I'm just gonna get some all for you guys and just show you how you do it Bali style. I hope that's Mark Weins worthy. I'm just gonna get some spice. Oh my gosh. So sweet and spicy and just...
What does the green one taste like?
The green one is like really spicy. It's just like green salsa.
Like green salsa?
So delicious. And I'm just gonna get some eggplant. Ooh, really spicy.
Oh, you got eggplant.
I'm gonna get some eggplant in there because it's so sweet. I'm gonna get some of that red salsa in there with some potato chips. Also over here we have some green beans with these little peanut clusters. Here we have a corn fritter. Oh my god. Cabe Cabean. You can tell when it's packed with locals and there's also tourists here that this could be one of the top places in Bali when you come around here. So super glad. We literally were just like starving driving back from Ubud, and I like saw it on the left, all this display here. I was like, we gotta turn around, guys. We went like 5 minutes back just to get this place. Super glad. This is gonna be on my #1 restaurant in Bali. This is better than the one in Ubud. #1 restaurant. This is it. All right, I'm gonna let Tom eat. Thank you, Tom, for your patience. I know you're starving.
Let's go.